Hey, what's up traders? Jonathan with Control the Trade here, looking at IKNX, which is just a super beast right now. We're trying to break the highs here at 1930. My target, if you looked at my tweet earlier, is about 2025, 2040, somewhere in that range. I mean, this thing has already had, I think, 3 circuit breakers, so it's kind of out of control. You can see this crazy candle here. We're looking at a 10-minute chart, trying to challenge the high of this 1930. If we break above this 1930 on a 10-minute close, then 20 plus should come incredibly fast. And the fact that it's creeping into 1930, I'd say, is more bullish. Now, I drew a line on the chart earlier today. I wasn't 100% sure I love this chart. I did this, or this line on the chart, I did this really quickly. But 1687 for me was a very important number, and it's proven to be so. Let's look at a 1-minute chart, and I think you'll see what I mean. 1 minute, there we go. Alright, let's take a look at a 1 minute, which I usually don't use, but on a crazy breakaway stock like this, you have to. Check this out. Here is a 1-minute chart. We closed at 1665, opened at 1675, near my number, but then we had a circuit breaker, and we just flew. There's our new high, 1975. And let's see if we can get my 1999. That's actually a price I just sold some. I was like, that's a price I sold at today. It's going to go higher than that, right? That would be there we go, 20. Okay. So then we hit a circuit breaker at 1930 was the high, and look where our circuit breaker hit, 2049. What did I just talk about, guys? I think I said 2030 something, 2020 something, 2040 something, and we just hit it. That's good timing for this video. I love it. All right, maybe we can go higher though, but right now, that's our top. So, again, we look here, 1930, and look where we came down to on the circuit breaker, 1692, 5 cents above my 1687. You can see we're losing it, and then we got a nice pop here, and we're way exceeding my number. I'm going to have to chart a new number, guys, 2106. This thing's flying off the charts right now. I'm still in it. Thankfully, I still have a position in this one. Wish I had more of a position, but can't play stocks like that because this kind of move happens right here. So we were bouncing off that 1687 forever right here, right? Well, in 1 minute chart, forever time. And then we popped above it again. Right here, 17 is also probably an important number here. 16, it's kind of a range here when you're moving this quick. And once we closed 1 minute candles above 1687, you can see we consolidated and we just burst out. Nice consolidation. I usually don't use 1 minute candles, but that's a good illustration right there for you. And now that we're looking at the 10-minute chart, this thing is a beast. Let's look at a daily chart. We need to find where the next level of resistance is going to be, so I'm going to have to look back pretty far. We'll look at a 20-year monthly. Look at this chart. Unbelievable. The high of this candle, 2043. That's where I was getting that number from before. But now we could run all the way up to 2274 here is the high of this candle. So we'll challenge this candle here. Could be a little gap right here. I mean, this thing is flying. Who knows where it's going to go? It's a low float. Good news on this one. I'm not a news guy normally. I think there was some kind of merger. But again, I don't look at the fundamentals. I look at the technicals, and this chart is a beast. I don't know why more people weren't on this morning. I tweeted about it, didn't get any responses or likes, which I don't really care about. It's just I'm surprised. I'm wondering if this is not on people's radar today. I'm glad this was brought to my attention by a friend, and he was spot on. We were looking at this thing this morning at about $13, $14. I think he first showed it to me around in 14s, and started picking it up there and selling it on the way up. And now it's all gravy. And I hope you followed my tweet and got into this trade and you're making some money today. This thing could keep going. I'm going to hold a short leash on it though, because these types of stocks tend to bounce around a lot. When you have 3 circuit breakers the first half an hour of trading, that's a little crazy. That's a little unreliable, but look at this breakthrough. Once again, we got through 1687, we broke through, and this is looking like a beast. We're going to follow this stock. This is a new one that's on my radar, and I'm real excited about it. Maybe we can keep profiting, turn this into a swing trade, or maybe even a long-term trade. The chart looks so healthy right now with that beautiful gap up move. That is a very bullish move. Only good things to come with this one. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe, and remember, don't let the trade control you.